with the wind. That's a bit tight. Or can I make that? Do you reckon I can make that? Okay, we are back in my favourite wooded area. We have a little bit of wind again today, and it's probably not the best for what I'm going to try, but we have this opening up the top there. See this clearing here? So apart from that, it's pretty dense for my level of flying to get back. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to fly the drone up through there, above some of the tree lines, turn around, play around up there, and then dive down into this gap. That's the plan, but like I say, it's windy here. It's going to be even windier up there. I don't know if you can see how fast the clouds are moving. Whether you can see that. But there's a decent wind up there. So we'll go up and have a little look, see what happens. I have been away for the last 4 days, so I haven't flown. I was going to take my drone to Bali, but I decided against it, especially because the only way I can fly this properly at the moment is in manual, and I just wasn't sure where I'd be anywhere that I could fly it and not ditch it and be able to get it. So, okay, just formatting my internal storage and also turning the broadcast off. Someone put in the comments that that's going to help with my connection to the aircraft because I'm not sharing the image. So I'm going to do everything I can to make sure that I've got maximum connection. I did when I was flying out to the rocks. On that last video, I have a bit of breakup, so I want to try and minimize that as much as possible. Okay, let's just do a little bit of a flyabout first. Okay, have a little pop up there, see what we can see. Okay. Yes, we are very windy. Not too bad. Oh, Jesus. Okay. We got the prop wash, I think, that we're talking about there. And now my gimbal's going weird. So let's sort that out. Making the habit as well is every time I crash, I'm going to switch her on and off, and hopefully that resets everything. I've noticed after a crash, normally the recording, if I don't stop it and start again, I lose that end of the recording. So I'm having to use the footage off the goggles, which isn't ideal. Oh, black cockatoo. Wow. Okay, let's have a little fly about again down here. There's the black cockatoos. Whoa. Okay, I don't want to scare them. Let's go up and have a look again. Let's fly close-ish to the trees. Just got to make sure I don't lose my bearings too much, and I think the wind is going in this direction. So I've got to be a little bit careful. So, okay, there's the clearing. Oh look, there's a couple of other entry points there. I could come in differently. That's cool to know. So we can skim these trees. Yeah, nice. And just can't see it directly above me. If I don't know if there's any branches there, so let's be a little bit careful. But this is fun. I don't know how far I dare go towards the water there. Now, there's more clearings than I realised, obviously, when you're down in the trees, you're not seeing everything. Oh no, that's the same one. Black cockatoos. Okay, let's go past the camera, up and out the gap again. Oh, with the battery, not too good, 29%. Okay, can you feel the wind now? The lake, behind the trees. Okay, yeah, that's 2. Okay, successful, haven't lost the drone yet. Okay, next goal, I'm gonna fly long and straight down there, long and straight, far, straight, low, as close as I can to the floor on the way back, and then scoop it up and go through the opening at the top. See the lake, come back down again. Actually, I need to change my battery pack. I don't know where the opening is. Yeah, no, that didn't work, did it? Okay, so I need to go look at the sunlight. Let's try that again. That way I go really fast, easy, because I'm going with the wind. This way, it's a little bit harder to stay low and go fast. And it's obviously harder. Okay, it's pretty close. Is it now? Oh, so scared I'm gonna hit a tree there. Okay, let's stay lower to the trees. Okay, let's go back. Let's have a look down here actually. I wonder if I can make it in one of these smaller gaps. Eee, Jesus. Okay, maybe not. There's a gap there. Got to be careful now. I'm going to go into a headwind above the trees, which is obviously going to have more effect on me. That's a bit tight. Or can I make that? Do you reckon I can make that? Oh, wait. Whoa. Somehow, we've got away with that. And okay, had the gimbal issue again. Right, looks like we're going for a walk. Press the C1, should be beeping. There she is. If you guys haven't seen this as well, you can fly this drone by itself. So I've got to walk back to my bag and stuff over there. So let's get it to follow me on the way back.
Follow. Medium. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
So now it's just going to follow me when I walk. And you can change the distance, you can change the height that it's following at. There's other modes, circles and stuff. And then once you finish with it, you can just get it to land in your hand. You place your hand out, have to put your hand underneath it, like so. Okay, we've only got 29% battery, but let's have a little bit of a play. Okay, we have one battery left. Okay, I just needed to fly through this because it was annoying me before I got up. There we go, happy now. Does not want to fly there because of the wind. Yeah, this wind is getting a bit too much, I think. Let's bring it down. Super fast, too much. Yeah, I knew that. Sort it out, sort it out. Okay. I sort of can feel now when it's going to do that prop wash thing. Nice log. Let's go this way and back down that log. Oh, black cockatoos. I need to scare them. I'm getting much better at flying. Look, this is flying slow in manual. I daren't go through there though, because I'll definitely be going for a walk. But that sort of delicate control is getting better and better. It's tricky when there's wind. Still haven't mastered indoor flying. I've only tried 2 or 3 times, but in manual it just doesn't seem to give me enough time to react or something, I don't know. Oh, yeah, where we go, come on, get it back. There we go. So windy. Oh, that wind. Let's go where the branches start to get a little bit trickier. Just a touch higher. Gaps like that. We somehow made it. Oh, wind. Low battery. Okay. Go see the car. And back. Around. Around the tree. Nice and low. Super fast with the wind. 16% battery. It's lander in manual. That was fun, as per usual. A little bit scary because I'm flying outside my ability, but we survived another day. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you have any advice, and I'll speak to you in the next one.